So as I told you all, will be doing matrix multiplication in the YouTube video. So we have the explanation for that. So I have taken the same example as you have in your notebooks I have given you. So let's just say we have matrix A. So the matrix A is 22, 32 and 11, 16, and the matrix B is 13, 8, 13 and 16. So what is the rule of matrix multiplication? As I told you, you are supposed to multiply the corresponding rows with the corresponding columns, okay, and then it has to be added. And how will that work? As I told you, you're supposed to multiply this first row with the first column, and then again the same first row with the second column. So this is the first thing which you are supposed to do. What is that you are supposed to do is you're supposed to multiply first row with first column and the first row with second column. So this is how you are supposed to multiply even for this next one. So for now we'll first see how the multiplication works for A into B. So A into B, so if I have to multiply this matrix A into B, so which means it goes like this. So look here, carefully observe this. So first element I'm supposed to multiply with the first element of the matrix B. So it is like this: 22 times 13, then add that with this one, second element of the first row with the second element of the first column. So that goes like this. It is like 30. So we'll make this in brackets, 32 into 13. So this is the first element of our product. So then again first row with the second column. So it goes like this: 22 times 8 plus again the second element with the second element of the second column. So that is 32 times 16. Then we have second row and the first column. Then this is done. So now what is the thing is you're supposed to do with second row with first column again and second row with second column. So how will that work? So here it is like 11 into 13 plus then again 16 into 13, then leave the gap here. So then again second row with the second column. So it is like 11 into 8, the second column, so plus 16 times 16. So this is our resultant matrix, that is AB. So this is our AB. So now multiply the values there. So 22 times 13 is like if you simplify all these values, you will finally get 702, 688 and 351, 344. So this is your resultant matrix. Hope you have understood the matrix multiplication. If you have any doubts, please mention that in the exclusive groups which we have created for discussing our mathematics. So I need you all to go through this. Hope you have understood. Remember the concept. You're supposed to multiply the first row with the first column, then again first row with the second column, and again second row with the first column and second row with the second column. And hope you have understood how to multiply each element there. Thank you for watching the video.